Are you struggling to keep track of client appointments or answer calls to explain when you are available? Manually logging events and keeping track of a schedule is time-consuming and, nowadays, even looks unprofessional. There has to be a better way. Fusion Timetable plugin for WordPress is designed to be a powerful, yet easy-to-use tool that lets you create and manage beautiful, responsive timetables in a simple and intuitive way. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up. First, navigate to the Timetable plugin webpage and download it. It's an archive file. Open the dashboard of your WordPress-powered website and select the Plugins section. Click Add New, and then Upload Plugin. Select the downloaded archive and choose Install. After the installation is complete, activate the plugin. Now, head over to the blog post or page where you want to show the schedule. You can add an instance of the timetable with a shortcode, or with drag and drop. If you prefer drag and drop, go to the Widgets section and find Fusion Timetable. Drop it at the place where you want to see the schedule. Save your page or post and render it. Voila! The default timetable is rendered in admin mode, allowing you to create and edit appointments right away. You can use the basic dialog to enter appointments. The Options screen allows you to add additional information about your event and choose custom colors. Note, it's important to hit Save after you are done adding data to the timetable, or your changes won't be saved. And here is our schedule. The data for the appointments is hidden by default, but you can display it as well. Just check this option in the plugin settings. More about that in our next video. Detailed instructions how to set up the plugin are also available from the Timetable webpage. From there, you can also visit the live demo page. Getting started with Fusion Timetable plugin for WordPress is that simple. To explore advanced features like custom styling and recurring events, check out our next video. Thank you for watching, and have fun building your first timetable.